Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to search the group policy for a specific group policy object. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for group policy, best match, so come back with edit group policy. Go ahead and open that up. So you have to go underneath administrative templates in order to access the search feature. It's not available at the higher level for software settings or Windows settings. You have to select administrative templates and then select the view tab, and then you can select the filter options button, or you can select the little filter icon over here in the toolbar. So we're going to go ahead and select filter options. Now you have to select what type of policy you want to display, whether it's managed, configured, or commented. Go ahead and select yes and no for any of those options. And then you want to go ahead and check mark where it says enable keyword filters, and you can enable what kind of filter you're looking for. There's certain words, policy settings title, help text, or comment. I'm just going to type in Windows here. And if you want to enable requirement filters, you can do that as well. Basically, if you're looking for a policy that's for a particular platform, that could be useful in here. And then once you've made your selection, you then could go ahead and select OK. I'm going to uncheck the requirement filters, and I'm going to select OK. And then it should filter out the group policy objects that you are looking for. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Again, you have to be underneath administrative templates in order to access such filter options. And like I said, pretty straightforward. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.